Hi everyone, I'm Khyati Chandu. Today I'm going to talk about our work on switch point biased self-training, repurposing pre-trained models for code switching. Code switching is the phenomenon of interleaving tokens, words or phrases of one language into another language. It is a very prevalent phenomenon in bilingual and multilingual communities with several applications including hate speech detection, understanding informal and semi-formal conversations, and studying language on social media. Despite this prevalence, it still remains an understudied topic within NLP. The main challenges here are, first, despite the overruling performance of the large pre-trained multilingual language models, they're still trained to remain in one of those several languages, but there are very few efforts in leveraging them for code switch texts. Second, the annotated datasets are scattered and small. However, like data in most other languages, unannotated data is easier to obtain here. Our work addresses these problems by adapting multilingual models specifically for switch points, that is, where the utterance switches from one language into another, and utilizes weakly supervised labels on unannotated data. Let me demonstrate the motivation for our approach using Hindi and English. Let us say this guy is our multilingual model. So this model is aware of monolingual English and in some cases monolingual Hindi. But a switch point branches the path from English into Hindi. However, as our monolingual model is not trained to switch, even after the language switches for a token, the model continues to predict in the language before switching occurred. To mitigate this bias, we train another biased annotator model that is heavily biased to switch into Hindi to correct our model's inertia. Here is the evidence that our multilingual models have this inertia. Although our training data has higher number of instances of switches from English to Hindi, there is a higher percentage of errors for this switching. We propose to correct this using self-training. We first fine-tune the multilingual model M on labeled data DL. The next step is to identify low-performing switch point. We then subsample biased data from labeled data and use this to train our biased annotator model. This biased annotator model is used to annotate unlabeled data DU. This process is iterated over by retraining on the augmented DL plus DU data. We conducted these experiments on pause tagging and NER for switching between English Hindi and English Spanish. We compare our models with Carbert, an unbiased random annotator which chooses the data to be augmented randomly and augmenting data with our biased annotator model. As we can see, there is a considerable improvement in the metrics when switching from English to the other language. This happens without drastically affecting the performance of switching from a different language into English, thereby giving improvements in the overall performance. If you are interested in our work, please check out our paper. Please feel free to reach out to us with any questions or feedback. Thank you.